We are at the launch area. It is 8:40 in the morning, and the paddle to the mansions is about to begin. That's the challenge, going through the cut there. I cleared away from you all the bugs and everything. Look, hey, cheaters! Hey, come back here, you have to go through. One of the more scenic excursions on this paddle. Beautiful day. We're at the tip of our paddle. Last mansion on the side there. Okay, this is a big spread here. This is the same house at the tip of the island. See if I get a better altitude shot here.
Which way are we going, Jerry?
That way. That way.
Control window without the
Plodding down the Loxahatchee on a beautiful day.
Well, not you ladies, but...
Well, we're spread out again. I think there's people behind us.
Conover's coming.
Hi, Eli.
Hey, buddy.
Okay, we're back at the beginning. Okay, everybody made it back that we left with. That's a good sign. Okay, we're at the Kitchen Creek Pavilion. As you can see, not a big crowd here, but I guess some of the excursions are not back yet. Ooms is recuperating from lots of stuff. I am, I guess. Smile for the camera, Ben. All right, we're eating our lunch. Packing up. Oh, we're getting dessert. Dessert. Okay, we're probably at full capacity now. Here we got the Wakelands, Judy and John. Yeah, well, let's see. Here we got Conover here. Smiley John. Hey, there she is. The Orchid Queen herself. There's Miss D. Just the one-eyed man here we got.